Okay, so not good test drive. Engine light, of course. I had brake lights come on and service brake light, ABS. If you notice, we're moving and there's no speedometer. We're also stuck in limp mode. It won't get shift out of first gear at all. We got all the gauges on the right seem to be working, and oil pressure, from what it seems good. Obviously I'll have to pop the hood and see anything, but we're also not getting a temp. Turn signal works. I tried four-wheel drive. It doesn't, because I know that doesn't work because the ABS light is on, or the not ABS, service airbag light. So no temp gauge on the transmission, and no speed limit, and the brakes are definitely goofy feeling, and it's definitely shifting super hard, and then clinking and clanking, and then also on top of that we got a little bit. It sounds like a rotational noise happening, and then we got what else that I noticed here? Let's see if we can get it to make that noise. Anyway, it's limp mode, meaning I manually shifted it, would not shift. It will not come out of first right now. So let's see, what was I going to do? I think we're in. Okay, there's neutral. Reverse. So reverse doesn't clink and clank as bad. Definitely smells fuely though. That's neutral. And you can hear that and you can feel it. It's super jerky. Whatnot. So definitely feels like something is either not plugged in or and then we had a weird noise in the beginning in the dash. That seemed to go away. Yeah, that seemed to go away. So I'm gonna just drive it up to the house here and leave it up here, and then we'll look at the fluid under the hood to see what the level is. We just had the head studs done on the engine, and new head gaskets, and then I think we still might have let's turn it off real quick, see if it fires right back up. I noticed the glow plug light was on. What? Smoke? Yeah, she's saying there's smoke on the head. The glow plug light was on extremely long when I went to start it earlier. What? Feels like coolant. Well, we had a puddle under the car earlier, and I wonder if he checked it. So, it's hard to see in this one because the gauges don't light up. We put the brake on and put it in neutral so I can check the fluid. Yeah, and then put it in neutral. What? You got reverse, neutral. And you'll know because you hit the gas or the fuel, and that's reverse. Okay? Clinky. Okay? And that's neutral. So just leave it there. It's about a quart shy. It's not super low of the hot line. It's about, I'd say about a quart. So I definitely add some fluid there, and go from there. There's still a little fuel in that Schrader valve sitting there. He said that was just residual, so hopefully that isn't bleeding off there. And then when this cools down, I'll pop that cap. Okay, go ahead and put it in park. Yeah, ooh, super noisy. Almost looks like the motor's not bolted in right unless you're shaking. And then we got lots of noises up here. It sounds super hot up in this area, just kind of as it turned off there. So, all right, well, that's what I got. So, mechanics did the job for me. My guys did it. I never done one before. Hopefully they didn't miss anything, but I'm going to put this out there and hopefully get some tips on maybe what's going on. Again, had the heads off, head studs done, and new gaskets, of course. Injectors were tested. They all came back good. New CP3 was put on it. And yeah, it felt like it had the power if it would just get out of gear, but it wouldn't get out of gear. It was definitely stuck in limp mode. And then, of course, I'm smelling, it does smell very fuely. And then, of course, that clinking and clanking, there's something definitely going on with that. Maybe a loose mount, or maybe somebody else can point me in the right direction there. I will add a quart of fluid to it. Maybe that's all it is. And we did the upgraded mouthpiece when we did the swap and everything. So that's it. Yeah, please comment on it if you've worked on this. This is an 05 LLY Duramax with 219K on, or actually 215, 215,000. Thanks a lot.